How to recover your Facebook password. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about recovering your Facebook password. So now let's get started. If you're logged into your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device, your laptop, your PC, or any other device, open your Facebook on that device and then go to three lines in the top right corner, scroll down and go to settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now from here, tap on Account Center and then go to password and security section. Under login, you will see the option of change password. Select your Facebook account, type in your current password followed by the new password and retype your new password in the third field. After that, tap on change password, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Now, if you're not logged into your Facebook account, go to the login page. Tap on forgot password, which is below the login option. Enter your mobile number or search by your email address instead. And Facebook will send a code to your email or phone, and then enter the code and create a new password. You can also check your browser or the phone to see if your password is saved. Go to your browser settings and then go to Google Password Manager. Here you will see the section of facebook.com. Simply tap on it and then tap on the eye icon to reveal the password. So that's it. Facebook will help you recover your account. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.